देना चाहता हूँ साजिद साहब सर्कुलेशन का उनके
Respected friends and comrades, President UKPNP Belgium Janab Akeem Saab, President Foreign Affairs Committee Namir Masood Saab, and our friends from PDM Emanullah Khan Saab, Riaz Saab, Syaf Saab, and Walid Saab. Dear friends and colleagues, I extend my gratitude and congratulations to all of you who came here on a very important day in front of European Parliament. We stand here in front of European Parliament to expose the role of Pakistan in 1947. The aim and objective of this demonstration is to bring the attention of international community, particularly the European Parliament, the European institutions, External Action Service, and the European Council, Council of Europe, and all those institutions to highlight the event folded in 1947, particularly 22nd of October 1947. On this day, Pakistan has launched an Operation Gulmarg in Jammu and Kashmir and Operation Dattafel in Gilgit and Baltistan. Dear friends and comrades, this was a conspiracy against the people of Jammu and Kashmir. This was the conspiracy against the people of Jammu and Kashmir, and we are here to highlight conspiracy of 22nd of October 1947. Initially, behind this conspiracy, there are 3 to 4 characters which I would like to highlight in front of all of you and in front of European institutions. Dear friends, there were 4 characters behind this conspiracy. One was the Major General Akbar Khan, who orchestrated and architect of this invasion of tribal invasion on Jammu and Kashmir. The second character was Peer of Monkey Sharif. The third character of governor at that time, and the fourth character, the Anwar, who was leading that whole invasion at that time. And the code name of Major General Akbar was Tarak. Dear friends and colleagues, when they have executed that operation, as a result of that operation, our state has been divided since 1947. Our families have been divided since 1947. Our natural sources have been divided. And as a result of this invasion, they have killed mercilessly our people, our individual, our women, our children, and lot of people have lost their lives on this particular occasion. We belong to a historical state of Jammu and Kashmir. That state came into being on 16th of March 1846, and that state has survived 101 years, and all the deprivation, all the miseries are linked to this 22nd of October 1947 invasion, and we are still divided. We are living under the illegal occupation of Pakistan, and United Kashmir People's National Party strongly condemn this invasion and observe this day as a darkest day in the history of Jammu and Kashmir. And our role is to expose this conspiracy, and we request United Nations, we request European Union, particularly European Parliament, to send a fact-finding mission. And as we have seen, the European Union and Europeans taken the human rights on priority, but unfortunately there is a deteriorating human rights situation in Pakistani occupied Jammu and Kashmir and Gilgit-Baltistan, where our fundamental rights has been compromised since 1947. We are striving for the restoration of a whole state of Jammu and Kashmir. We are striving for the restoration of our historical state of Jammu and Kashmir. Through this demonstration, we highlight the miseries and deprivation of our people in front of European Parliament. मट्टी की मोहब्बत में हम आशिक़ तसरून हैं, मट्टी की मोहब्बत में हम आशिक़ तसरून हैं। वो कर्ज भी उतारे हैं जो वाजिब न थे। मैं उर्दू में अपने उन व्यूअर्स को जो सोशल मीडिया के जरिए हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं, उनको आज ये पैगाम देना चाहता हूँ कि हम आज यूरोपियन पार्लियामेंट के सामने जो है वो 22 अक्टूबर 1947 को जो ट्राइबल अटैक हुआ, वो हम एक ब्लैक डे के तौर पे हम जो है वो बना रहे हैं। और हम ये समझते हैं कि यूनाइटेड कश्मीर पीपल्स नेशनल पार्टी ने एक हिस्टोरिकल रोल अदा किया है कि हमारी रियासत जो 47 में तकसीम हो गई, हमारी वो रियासत जो 47 में जो है वो उसके वसाइल तकसीम हो गए, उसके लोग तकसीम हो गए, और इस ऑपरेशन गुलमर्ग के नतीजे में जो है वो हमारे लोगों को मारा गया, जो है वो हमारे जो है वो बच्चे जो है वो यतीम हो गए, हमारी जो है वो औरतों की अस्मत दरी हुई। हम ये चाहते हैं कि एक फैक्ट फाइंडिंग मिशन जो है वो आज़ाद कश्मीर और गिलगित-बल्तिस्तान और होल जम्मू कश्मीर में भेजा जाए, ताकि जितनी भी ह्यूमन राइट्स वायोलेशन है उनको जो है वो रिकॉर्ड में लाया जाए और उनके ऊपर जो है वो सेक्शन मेजर्स लिए जाएं। और हम यूरोपियन पार्लियामेंट में इसलिए खड़े हैं कि 2007 में यूरोपियन पार्लियामेंट में कश्मीर के हवाले से एक रिपोर्ट पेश की गई है, और उसके बाद यूरोपियन इंस्टीट्यूशंस ने एक कश्मीर के ऊपर एक अपनी पॉलिसी वज़े की है कि कोई भी जो है वो मुल्क, चाहे इंडिया हो, पाकिस्तान हो, चाइना हो, यूनिलैटरली जो है वो रियासत जम्मू कश्मीर को तकसीम नहीं कर सकता। रियासत जम्मू कश्मीर एक इकाई है, और मैं इसी से आपसे इजाज़त चाहता हूँ। बहुत शुक्रिया।